The SMS project is a part of the Intercity development project in Norway. It consists of 10.3 kilometers of double-track railway, including 3 open stretches and 2 tunnels. All of Keller's work is executed in the city of Moss and the surrounding areas. Moss is a coastal town with a population of approximately 50,000 in southern Norway. The geotechnical conditions of the area are characterized by the typical Norwegian quick clay underlain by a granite-type bedrock. Quick clay is a special type of clay which is liquefied when it is overloaded. Due to the special and challenging soil stability conditions of the area, stabilization techniques were necessary before the start of construction of the railway infrastructures. Keller, as the main geotechnical subcontractor, executed jet grouting and deep dry soil mixing to improve the soil stability in many areas of the project. In addition, Keller executed strand anchors for the stability of the excavation pit and dowels connecting the diaphragm wall to the bedrock at its toe. Deep dry soil mixing was chosen as the main soil improvement technique for the project to enable the excavation of quick clay, as well as lateral support for the diaphragm and sheet pile walls. The total length of DDSM columns is 650,000 meters. Keller successfully executed the DDSM work despite the challenging subsurface soil conditions, which are characterized by quick clay, dense sand, moraine, and boulders of various sizes. Jet grouting is a soil stabilization technique that can be used to strengthen soil and control groundwater flow by reducing the permeability of the soil. The total length of jet grouting columns installed on the SMS project is 44,000 meters, with a diameter of up to 1.6 meters and strength requirement up to 6 megapascal. Jet grouting works have played an important and critical role on the project. With Keller's unique technique and precise application, it allowed for soil stabilization in the riskiest areas on the project, with a slope factor of safety near the acceptable limits. In some of the project areas, jet grouting columns were used as a connection between the DDSM ribs and the existing sheet pile for the lateral support of the sheet piles before the excavation works. Wherever high-strength soil stabilization deemed to be necessary or large boulders could not be passed by DDSM, jet grouting has fulfilled the requirements. Before the beginning of the main jet grouting works in each area, Keller performed acoustic column inspector tests to verify the execution parameters for obtaining the necessary strength and diameter requirements. Intensive monitoring as inclinometer measurements, pressure sensors, settlement readers have been implemented and analyzed carefully in the test field. With the special adjusted tools and parameters, technical competence and precise execution, Keller has proven its ability to overcome the challenging circumstances in the area. The gained knowledge from the test field has built up the basis for further ground improvement works in the area. The crown of the main tunnel required stabilization in order to verify the stability of the tunnel, as well as ensuring watertightness. Inclined drilling depths reaching up to 30 meters has been performed by precise deviation measurements to verify the necessary overlap of the jet grouting columns. All challenges, including working in an existing tank station under 4-meter height and larger boulders in the area, have been overcome. Permanent strand anchors have been installed in challenging ground conditions. In order to minimize disturbance of the quick clay, the special KRCD, Keller Reversed Circulation Drilling method has been applied. The combination of the double-head drilling system and water-driven advancement, where the drilling debris is returned through the casing, minimizes the impact on the surrounding soil. This technique has been implemented by Keller on numerous projects in Scandinavia, which has proven itself as the reliable technique in sensitive ground conditions. Due to the magnitude of the project, Keller had a large fleet of up to 7 drill rigs and other equipment. Therefore, a workshop plant was established at the site to address the unique needs of the project. Keller enforces a high standard of quality control on all steps of the construction process, ensuring a quality final product. All necessary quality tests were performed as per relevant standards. Core drilling works executed after the completion of the soil stabilization have proven the target requirements were achieved. The SMS project has a high standard of health, safety and environmental requirements. Keller used special filter press equipment to filter the jet grouting backflow material, allowing for reuse of the filtered water and transport of the hardened material, further reducing the environmental footprint of Keller's work. Keller implemented new materials and techniques at the SMS project to reduce its environmental impact. The DDSM columns used a binder called Multisem instead of cement to provide a reduction in CO2 emissions generated from producing cement. Keller has completed the project with zero lost time injury due to a concentrated focus by all workers on health and safety. Daily startup meetings, regular toolbox meetings, safe job analyses, and continuous trainings contributed to this success. During the initial outbreak of the pandemic, Keller managed to keep the project safely running without interruptions under special working conditions. Keller, using our extensive experience and expertise, overcame all the challenges successfully, completing the works and delivering a high-quality project to the community.